I'm Campbell and I have been at Kelford Cams for just over 8 years. I started in 2016 and I got the job through a friend who just happened to ask me if I was looking for a job, and at the time I was. So when I first started here, I was in post-production, and Kelford has given me the opportunities over the 8 years I've been here, and now I'm a CNC camshaft grinder. When Kelford recognises people that work hard, they put the effort into that person and they help them achieve the goals that they want. If it wasn't for Kelford Cams, I wouldn't have a job like this at all. So I had a little bit of interest in cars and I thought I knew a lot about cars, but after starting here I realised my knowledge was minimal. I've learned a lot about just engines in general and realising that it doesn't matter what manufacturer makes the engine, that as long as it goes fast, it's awesome. So I started manual grinding a couple of years after I started here, going from post-production to manual grinding to CNC. So I turn a billet of a camshaft into the magic of what Kelford Cams is. I wouldn't say it's that difficult using a camshaft grinding CNC, only because previously I've done manual grinding, so physically manual grinding a camshaft to operating the automatic version of the CNC. So our machine has got two massive grinding wheels on them, and it passes through lobe by lobe and puts a profile on each single lobe and creates the camshaft that our customer needs. So my favourite thing about working here at Kelford Cams is honestly the environment of the boys and the amount of knowledge that is passed around through the workshop. So one of the exciting things when I think about the future of Kelford Cams is just the development of like brand new engines that come through every single year, more and more and more, and I didn't think that we would actually be as big as we are today from when I first started.